You know how when you are trying to open a bottle of ketchup, but the lid is on too tight, then you suddenly decide, I am going to open this bottle. And as you grasp the lid, this time, you try to turn the lid again. All the while, in your mind you are shouting, open. And it does. This is your will. You first decide what you want to do, and then you command it to happen as you do it. Intention followed by action creates magic. I would like to take a moment here to share part of a dream vision that was shown to my avatar. In the dream vision, she was presented with two men sitting at her grandmother's table, drinking coffee. And yet, my avatar somehow knew that these two men were actually more than that. When she said, "You are astral travelers, aren't you?" the men were visibly surprised, yet said, "Yes, we are." Not to lose the opportunity, my avatar quickly asked the men, "So, how do you do it?" The men replied simply, "You think and blink." Learn to use this think and blink method. As you blink, you phase out. When you open your eyes, you phase back in. You return with a new belief that whatever it is possible. And it becomes so. Have you ever noticed how many of the so-called fantasy movies portray the magic as occurring after a blink? Even in the television show, I Dream of Jeannie, Jeannie blinked. The knowledge has been in front of your eyes all along. You just needed the eyes to see it. But, you may say, in the Bewitched television series, Samantha twitched her nose. Well, this is just another form of action. Of course, there is more to be said about what all is involved in the think step of this method. When you think about what you want, you will want to create a fully visualized and well-defined thought form. Broadcasting thought forms is further discussed in the Advancements IMS number 4. A special note here. You must be willing to let go of all disbelief. If you cannot jump into the abyss, you will miss your mark. Gather together all your courage and jump. You will still exist, but you will exist in a new way. You will lose the old you. It will be a rebirth into a new way of living within the existence of the whole. Now, let me address just a few of the many possible uses for the think and blink method. You can use this method to work with quantum jumping abilities. You can use this method to perform as if requests. You can use this method to broadcast requests for information from your ascendant such as remembering the mental abilities that you forgot about when you stopped believing that your imagination was real. The Augmentals videos will be addressing these three uses for the think and blink method.